I wash my hands. I relax for a while. I drink a glass of water. I prepare to cook dinner. I gather the ingredients. I chop the vegetables carefully. I heat the pan. I add some oil. I stir everything gently. I set the table. I put the plates and cutlery. I serve the meal. I sit down to eat. I enjoy each bite. I sip some water. I finish my dinner. I clear the table. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes with a towel. I put everything away. I wipe the countertop. I take a short rest on the cup. I turn on the TV for a moment. I watch a show. I switched off the TV. I pick up a book. I read a few pages. I reply to a friend messages. I laugh at a funny video. I feel a bit sleepy. I go to the bathroom again. I brush my teeth before bed. I wash my face again. I apply some cream on my face. I turn off most lights. I check the doors and windows. I turn on a small night lamp. I lie down in my bed. I pull up the blanket. I think about tomorrow. I close my eyes slowly. I wake up early. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms in bed. I take a deep breath. I turn off the alarm clock. I sit up on the bed. I rub my sleepy eyes. I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth gently. Thank you.